आज के लेसन में हम सीखेंगे रियल लाइफ इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशंस। शुरुआत करते हैं दो दोस्तों से जो काफी दिनों बाद मिले हैं।
Hey, it's been ages. How have you been? I know, I've been doing well. How about you? I'm good too. Just busy with work. So, what's new in your life? Honestly, a lot. I took a new job recently, and so far, it's going good. That sounds exciting. What's your role? I'm handling customer relations. It's a lot of responsibility, but I'm learning a lot. That sounds intense. Must keep you on your toes. Yeah, it does. But I'm getting the hang of it. What about you? Still working those crazy hours? Yes, as always. No rest for the wicked. But it's so nice to see you. I have missed this. We should meet more often. Definitely. How about coffee this weekend? Perfect. I'll text you later. Looking forward to it.
अब इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रेजेस देख लेते हैं। इट्स बीन एजेस यानी कि बहुत दिन हो चुके हैं। एग्जाम्पल, इट्स बीन एजेस सिंस वी लास्ट मेट। कीप यू ऑन योर टोज, किसी चीज के वजह से हमेशा अलर्ट और रेडी रहना। एग्जाम्पल, हैविंग ए टॉडलर कीप्स यू ऑन योर टोज ऑल डे। गेटिंग द हैंग ऑफ इट, धीरे धीरे समझ आ जाना। एग्जाम्पल, आई एम फाइनली गेटिंग द हैंग ऑफ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर। वर्किंग दोज क्रेजी आवर्स, बहुत लेट तक काम करना। एग्जाम्पल, आई यूज्ड टू वर्क क्रेजी आवर्स इन माई लास्ट जॉब। नो रेस्ट फॉर द विकेड एक फनी फ्रेज है। इसका मतलब है हर वक्त काम में बिजी रहना, बिल्कुल फ्री टाइम ना मिलना। एग्जाम्पल, इवन ऑन वीकेंड्स I've got chores. No rest for the wicked. नेक्स्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन में दो दोस्त अपने एग्जाम प्रेपरेशंस को डिस्कस करेंगे।
Hey, how's it going? Not good. Exams are coming up, and I'm feeling really stressed. Honestly, I'm freaking out too. There's just so much to revise. Same here. I just look at the syllabus and panic. I'm planning to revise all night. Don't know how it'll go. I'm going to revise too. But I can't pull an all-nighter. I'll wake up early at 5. That's a good plan. I'll probably sleep at 3 and try to cram everything in. Haha, good luck with that. I can't wait for this to be over. After the exams, it's all chill. No more stress. Definitely. After the exams, let's do something fun. Like a getaway to a hill station or a farm stay. Sounds like a plan. Best of luck with your exams. Thanks. Good luck to you too.
इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रेजेस। फ्रीकिंग आउट यानी कि घबरा जाना या टेंशन लेना। एग्जाम्पल, आई फ्रीक्ड आउट व्हेन आई लॉस्ट माई फोन। पैनिक, घबराहट या टेंशन वाली हालत होना। एग्जाम्पल, he panicked when the deadline was moved up. Pull an all-nighter, पूरी रात जागना, काम या पढ़ाई के लिए। Example, I pulled an all-nighter to finish the project. To cram, जल्दी जल्दी या last minute पढ़ाई करना या रटना। Example, he always crams right before exams. Get away, छोटी सी ट्रिप या ब्रेक लेना। Example, that beach looks like the perfect getaway spot. इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में दो दोस्त अपने वीकेंड प्लान्स डिस्कस करेंगे।
Hey, what's up? Any plans for the weekend? Not sure yet, but I'm thinking of going to the mall with some friends. That sounds fun. I'm planning to binge watch some Netflix shows. Nice. Which show are you watching? I've just started The Family Man. Have you seen it? Yeah, I've seen it. It's amazing. I've been watching Money Heist lately. Oh nice. I've heard it's super thrilling. Full of twists, right? Totally. You'll love it. Oh, I've been meaning to watch that too. So will you be shopping for clothes in the mall? No, we'll play some games, and then have some pizzas at the food court. Nice. After pizza, you should try some bubble tea. Good idea. I could even try that new snack bar for some nachos. Sounds great. Yeah, you should join us. I'm in. Let me know the time. Cool. I'll text you the deets. See ya.
Important phrases. Binge watch यानी कि एक के बाद एक एपिसोड्स लगातार देखना. Example, I binge watched the whole series in one night. Super thrilling यानी कि बेहद रोमांचक. Example, that movie was super thrilling. Been meaning to, बहुत वक्त से कुछ करना चाह रहे हो, लेकिन अब तक नहीं किया. Example, I've been meaning to call her. Deets एक slang word है details के लिए. Example, what time is the movie? Give me the deets. तो ये थे 3 रियल लाइफ इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशंस. इन्हें जरूर प्रैक्टिस करना. अब एक होमवर्क है आपके लिए. Write a dialogue between two friends meeting after a long time and discussing their lives. आज के लेसन से कम 5 फ्रेजेस को जरूर यूज करना. ये असाइनमेंट कमेंट्स में शेयर जरूर करिए. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. फिर मिलते हैं.